How to use Disk Cleanup and Defragmenter. Hey everyone, feeling like your computer is running slow and cluttered? Today we'll tackle two powerful tools, Disk Cleanup and Defragmenter, to help your PC breathe a new life in under 2 minutes. Disk Cleanup scans your drives for temporary files, unused system files, and other clutter that can hog space. You can choose which files to delete to free up valuable storage. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu and launch it. Select the drive you want to clean up. Click Analyze Disk to see what files can be removed. Review the listed categories and select what you want to delete. Click Cleanup System Files for a more thorough cleanup. Click Cleanup to reclaim your storage space. Over time, files on your hard drive can become fragmented, scattered in pieces across the disk. Defragmenter rearranges these fragments to be stored contiguously, improving file access speed and potentially boosting your PC's performance. Search for defragment and optimize drives in the Start menu and launch it. Select the drive you want to defragment. Click Analyze Disk to see the fragmentation level. If the drive is fragmented, usually above 10%, click Optimize to start the defragmentation process. Modern computers with solid-state drives, SSDs, don't typically need defragmentation as they work differently than traditional hard drives. Check your drive type before using Defragmenter. By using Disk Cleanup and Defragmenter regularly, you can keep your PC clean, organized, and potentially running faster. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC optimization tips.